Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm gonna try something crazy. I've never done it before. So the thing is, I'm gonna curl my hair and set my hair with hair dryer while drying it. I don't know, I've seen lots of videos on Instagram curling their hair with socks, with Dyson, with hair dryer, with straightener, and lots of other things. So today I'm gonna do with the hair dryer. And one more important thing is there will be so many background noises because I'm shooting in daylight, as you can see. So please ignore it and please keep watching. And my hair is wet but also dry a little bit in here. My hair dries so fast. I didn't even do my makeup. I didn't do any makeup. I just put moisturizer, blush, lipstick, and mascara. Is that makeup? I don't know. Just to do the hair clipping, And did I tell you this video is not scripted at all? So I'm not gonna comb right now. I need it. So I am gonna blow dry the front part differently. Stop this. Now I'm gonna take this. Okay, so hair parts. What? Let's try it together, okay? There's lots of water. Oh, I'm gonna use this brush. I think I'm so scared. And guess what? I forgot to use the hair protection, heat protection. I personally used it in every section because I think everyone needs extra help. Here. Guess what? I've been doing it all wrong. It is like this. Over, I've got this. I don't know. Look at this. Look at the wave. I put a clip to hold it. I don't know it can hold it or not. But let's see. Look at this wave. This part. Use the heat protection. I'm using this one. Here it is. Because look at this. I forgot to tell you guys, but I've ordered some curls and a new video is coming up. I'll just quickly do this part and see you with the result. So here's the thing, I don't have the last clip, so I'm just I don't know what to do. But here's my front card. Let's open it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I don't know. mean, I've seen people to comb it. This. Oh my, oh my god. I love it. I think for the first time the result is very impressive. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. And please follow me for the next video after having my color.